welcome back to my channel. Today is a collab video with my friend Candace. We are doing wintry looks, snow, ice themed inspired. Mine is clearly very icy. I went with purple blue because that's what I had. So I was thinking blue, but I ended up with this purple periwinkle bluish color. So that is what we're going with today. And of course I blinged out my face to represent the ice. Anyways, if you'd like to see how I created this look, just keep on watching. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and start the look, but I have already primed and all that, and I'm going to show you what I used. I thought I was recording and I wasn't, so I'm going to show you that now. What I used for primer is the ColourPop Pretty Fresh. That was my face primer. Yep, there you go. Okay, so this is what I used for eye primer. I used Morphe, and for concealer and foundation, I used the ColourPop Pretty Fresh. So now we are moving into brows, and I'm going to use primarily two palettes because I am doing kind of a purplish blue periwinkle-ish icy snowy look, and I'm sticking with these two palettes. The Sweet Tooth palette here by Hank and Henry has these two colors here that I want to use, and then the Berries palette has a couple colors here. It has this color here, this one, and the glazing color, and the bells and whistles. Those are all colors I plan on using. But right now we are going to start off with brows, and I think what I'm going to use is I'm probably going to use this blue color here and then deepen it up with probably this color right here. So we got the brows done. Now we are moving on to the eyes. I think I'm going to start off with the blue right here. I don't know what I'm doing yet, but I'm going to start off with the blue. You know what? I've decided to change my whole method already early in the game. I don't know. Anyways, so I'm going to go ahead and go in with this palette, and I am going to use this one right here. Now I'm going to go back into this one, and I think what I am going to do is use this one right here. Okay, so now I think what I am going to do is use this color and then dip back into the blue right there. Okay, does it look like garbage right now? Yes, it does, but that's okay because I'm going to take this fluffy blush and blend it out a little bit. At this point, I am switching gears, and I am going to use this silver, and I'm going to use this on my lids. Okay, so I'm going to switch over to this palette right here because it has two colors that I think will make the eyes look the way I want, and that is this, there goes a brush, this color here and this color here, these two blue. This is like a silvery blue, this is like another blue. That's what I want to go with for the eyes. so that is kind of what I want. And you're probably wondering, why did I not just go in with these two colors at first, since that is pretty much all you see. And if you look closely at my eye, you can see like underneath it, you can see the purple kind of popping through, and I actually kind of wanted that to make the look a little bit more cohesive. So that is why on that. But I am going to take those same blue colors here and go under the eyes now. Okay, so you can see I used the blues under my eyes, and you'll notice that, you know, because I didn't put down that purple layer first, it does look more blue. So that is that. We are moving on to eyeliner. Okay, so for bottom eyeliner, I'm going to use Urban Decay Raw Energy. Abandoning liquid liner for the top eyeliner this time. I am using Marc Jacobs, and this is a crayon eyeliner, and it's just a shade darker than the other one, and that is what I'm using for top liner. Now I am moving on to mascara. We are using Bad Gal Bang for the bottom. This is a blue. And then for the top, I am using Jonah Lash Up Rising. Okay, so we're going to move into some highlighter. I think I'm going to start with this palette right here. This is Highlight from Lime Crime, and I'm going to use these two right here. That is Happy Land and Daydream. And I'm skipping contour because this is an icy look, icy snowy look. I'm moving into my Anastasia highlight palette here, and I want to use the purples here and icy blue. And yes, I know that's a lot of highlight, but it's okay for this look. For blush, I'm getting into my Private Society Secret Admirer palette. It has these really gorgeous pinks, and I'm using those two right there. Okay, I'm just going to use a little bit of setting powder to kind of smooth that out a little bit. This is Extraordinarily Translucent by Ciat London. Okay, I have a lip color here. This is Fenty Beauty, and I can't even read that. Anyways, it's this color. That's what you're using for lips. Okay, so that does need a little sparkle if you ask me. I know I have problems. So I'm going to use Nature's Cartel. This is VCR Static over the top of that lip color. Okay, so I think I'm going to add some crystals now because it is a icy look. Icy wintry look, and I've got this here. I'm definitely going to use these bottom parts, but I don't really care for these top ones, so I might cut them out and use them differently than what is in the package. So my rhinestones are on. I am moving into falsies, and I am using Perfect Lashes by Hot Kitty Beauty. There is my finished wintry look. What do you guys think? Do you think this was successful? I don't know. I feel like it's pretty icy, I guess. Anyways, don't forget to check out Candace's video, which I, of course, will have linked above and below. And if you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like more content like this, please don't forget to subscribe. Otherwise, I'll see you in my next video.